All right. Greetings.
Hello.
The tour. Can you talk loud?
Yes, this is the foundation of the dormitory where we would like you people to come and assist us to build.
Oh,
because
right
we are
here.
now sleeping in the classroom, which is not right. This is the main foundation for the dormitory. We've started with this. We need to continue and complete it.
How big is the dormitory going to be?
It's 20 by 24.
How much people can the dormitory fit?
One dormitory can take around 10 children.
10 children?
Yes.
So altogether, in this whole property, you're looking to...
Yes, on this foundation, we have 4 rooms on this foundation.
Continue with the tour and we'll just follow you.
Okay. So let's go to the top. I show you the classrooms and where the children sleep now. That's our kitchen.
Oh yeah, I saw it. I asked her, she was making soup. She's like, not soup.
So where's the big pot? The big pot. You know, in America they tell you that you come to Africa, they have big pots and they're gonna cook you in there.
Oh, there's a big pot. That's a big pot right there.
Miss Peppy, can we get their attention to follow the tour?
Yes.
Kobla, can you get everybody's attention to come and follow the tour?
Tour's continuing, not Africa for the Africa, but Trinity home. We're gonna go see the classroom.
So yes, family, I apologize, my voice is low, but we're getting a beautiful view of Trinity Academy, the foundation and the future of what they've been doing over the years. I've known these wonderful people since October 2007 and I've seen their growth, and it's nothing but humanitarian work to helping our own brothers and sisters, children who don't have a future.
Baby. Now look.
Visitor restroom.
This is a meeting for the ladies' room.
Oh,
It's a meeting in the ladies' room.
oh, it's a ladies' room.
Yeah, bathhouse, the toilet.
Oh, and I'm just showing the property.
She's trying to get a picture of my clinic. Naughty. Cut that. Next thing you know, you be trying to come on up in it. No. Take it out. That's my clone, it's not me. Y'all funny.
All that stuff that I got this right here, they still learning, so thank you. These are our staff, our teachers. Yes. They are preparing themselves, they are equipping themselves to teach the children very well. Yes. And those our timetable.
Because he was coming taking pictures.
Yes. Staff, you might work with. Nobody comes there.